let's talk about the IPO market, given the fact that it's been a buzz. And in the year 2025, a lot of bets have been off the table when you talk about IPO market, saying that maybe the market valuation is not that great. Will we see that many IPOs that we saw in the year 2024? But today we got a very big news saying that Tata Capital, which is a part of Tata Group, they're planning to go for an initial public offering that will include a mix of new shares and an offer of sale by some existing shareholders. Remember that if you've seen through the course of the day, or you're seeing at the bottom of your screen, you have Tata Investment that has seen a big up move on back of that news. Gaurav is here with all the details. And Gaurav, tell us what exactly does it mean for the group, for Tata Capital, especially Tata Investments as well?
Well, yes, Tata Group of companies once again making a headline, and the reason being that Tata Capital is coming up with their IPO. They have approved the IPO, including the sale of around 23 crore shares via new issue, and they have also approved the offering of up to 1500 crores worth of shares via right issue. Let's not forget that news articles earlier speculated that the entire IPO size could be somewhere around 15,000 crore rupees. Now let's talk about the company. Tata Capital is a subsidiary of Tata Sons, and it is an NBFC which provides a range of services including the distribution of Tata cards. It currently have around 5.2 million customers and across 900 branches. When we look at listing in September 2022, regulators actually classified Tata Capital as upper layer systematically important NBFC, and that is the reason they required Tata Capital to get listed in the next 3 years, which comes to around September 2025, and that is the reason why the speculation is rising once again, and now the board have also approved the IPO. Now when we look at financials, we already know that loan book currently stands at around 1.8 lakh crore rupees, and at the same time when we look at gross NPAs, it is also at a healthy level of around 1.5% for the company. Company reported profits of around 1900 crore rupees in first half of FY25, and lastly when we look at ROAs, it reported around 2.25% of ROAs and 16.5% of ROAs. So again, a very good performance set by the company. When we look at shareholding pattern, Tata Sons currently holds around 92%, while Tata Group of companies currently holds around 2.5% stake. Let's also not forget that company regularly have access on needed based capital support from Tata Sons, because in the last 6 years itself, the company has received around 6,000 crore rupees from Tata Sons, including 2,000 crore rupees that they have received in FY24 itself. Let's also not forget that on the back of this news, Tata Investments is also in focus today, because Tata Capital is around 4.7% of the overall investments of Tata Investment, and that is the reason why this stock is also up in trade today. So on the back of the news of the recent IPO, we will be definitely watching out on what happens in the Tata Group of companies in coming days.
That's quite interesting. Tata
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.